Hey everybody, and welcome to another Friday with Friends. We're going to start off. I want to show you these coasters that I did a couple weeks ago on my Friday with Friends video. I think these turned out really cool. These first two are the ones that I layered with the purple, then the gold, then purple on top, and then the black cell activator. And the second two are the ones that I did with the purple and just added the gold and then the cell activator. I think the gold is a little overbearing on the last two. That last one didn't turn out too good, but I'm going to be doing a 16-inch round canvas today using the same color palette. But I will be layering, since it's 16-inch canvas, I'm going to be layering the purple and gold multiple times, ending up with purple on top and then the cell activator. So here I'm putting down my pillow paint, which is the PPG Multi-Pro in eggshell, and then I'm going to start putting my colors on and get this thing spun out. But I'm going to put on some music, and I will get back with you guys near the end.
Hey, he's got me looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast, I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. Help me, grab his right arm, help me, I'll take the left, oh help me, interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me how high is your can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh. You're still with me all the time.
Everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting like a ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, Medi,
All right, now I'll take you guys in for a close-up. I really do like this color combination, and again, that is Ultramarine Violet by Golden and Ore by TLP. I will have all of the colors that I use, pouring mediums, everything listed in the description. Also in the description is going to be a link to the playlist for our collaboration group. Please check out everybody's videos and hit that like and subscribe button, because it really does help us out a lot. I really do like this color combination, and I think this one turned out pretty cool. You guys, of course, let me know what you think about it in the comments. But I think it turned out pretty good. I really do like this color combo, though. It's that ore is the way it stands out and the way the light catches on it. It's hard to see in the video, but you can see it a little on those coasters in the beginning that I showed. That ore really shows up good. But once again, thank you guys for being here. Make sure and hit that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody.